Hi, Amit. Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm very much fine. How's about you?
I am doing good. Thank you, Amit. So, Amit, could you please let us know for which all courses you have enrolled with us at I-Medita and how was your overall experience during the training?
Actually, I had a session with SD-WAN, and it was quite good. Uh, I was interviewed after this session. I was interviewed. It was good, and yeah, with that technology, I have got improvement, very improvement after this session, after the SD-WAN session.
Great. So, could you please tell us about yourself and your background into the IT industry?
Actually, I have 12 plus years experience in IT industry. So I have experience with multiple ISP and enterprise organizations, likewise Tulip Telecom, CP Technologies, Geo, then Jetty, and presently I'm in SL Technologies.
Great. So, how did you first hear about our training courses?
I heard about from my friend, from my few friends who were taking classes. They asked, they told me it was very good, it was very impressive, it was very good. So after that I had it dummy session.
Okay, demo session.
Then I demo session, sorry. So I impressed with that demo session, and I joined. Then I joined the classes, SD-WAN classes.
Great. So, from which instructor you took classes and did you find instructor experience enough in the SD-WAN technology?
Frankly speaking, I had taken classes from two instructors, Saurabh Yadav, and another one was
Mr. Surin Singh.
Minister Surinder Singh. I missed his name. So what happened actually during I first I joined with Saurabh Yadav, but due to some official stuff, actually I got busy. Then after I again started classes with Surinder Singh. I think
Right.
that instructor was. So it was good.
Great. And
I
did you
learned
got all the,
actually.
yeah.
I'm expertise with this technology. Actually, what can I say about it? Yes.
And did you got all the study material, lab access, and required support from our side?
Everything, multiple times. I am taking support whenever I was required. So whenever it was required, all people are very helpful. In fact, whenever I was required lab access, whenever I was required recording video session, everything was available for me.
Great. And how did you manage
I
to
had very
balance your
good
work?
experience. Yes, yes,
And how did
yes,
you
please.
manage to balance your work and your training schedule? Because you were working while doing these courses. So how did you manage your time for the learning as well?
Yes, actually, I was taking classes on weekend. Correct. So whenever I miss the classes, and whenever I missed classes, if one and two classes, so I was getting recording session, and when whatever there was my doubt, so I was getting clear with my instructor.
Great. Great. And how would you rate the quality of training, instructors' knowledge, and the services from our side on a scale of 10?
10 over 10. I would give.
Great.
Yeah, I give 10 over 10 because I'm very happy.
Great.
And always, I also suggest my friends, my colleague, and I have few complaints also.
Okay. Any suggestion how to resolve those?
Yes, yeah, yes, yes. Why you are not bringing advanced courses like wise DevOps and other technologies which are coming in the market?
We are working
So
actively on that.
Python DevOps. So quickly I'll join. I have already multiple time I have asked from Sugan sir why actually he's not bringing up these courses. So I will join.
We are working on these technologies. We are building workbooks, notes, lab workbooks. So once they are ready, in couple of months, these courses will be live, and we would like to see you in those courses as well.
Yes, thank you so much. Sorry, I couldn't catch your name.
My name is Saurabh.
Yes, Saurabh.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that will be very great if you bring up latest technology, and you suggest that you also suggest us. Actually, we are working in production,
Right.
correct? So production, whatever we are getting, we are doing that stuff. But whatever coming in market, whatever latest technology is coming in market, so you also can suggest us. I mean, these kind of technologies are coming, so you can join. So that will be a great. That will
Right.
be great.
Right.
Actually,
Any other suggestion on how we can
I'm
improve our
eagerly
training in
waiting for
future?
DevOps classes. Actually, yes, ask me.
Can you provide any other suggestion on how we can improve our training in future?
Training what to? I don't think any suggestion about that. Already classes were very good, but you can increase actually a little. Company, can't you increase lab time a little more? Because lab time was a limit. There was very limit actually where whenever I was doing labs. So that is a little more need to
Whenever
improve.
you need lab, you can raise a ticket on the support channel and you will receive the lab access. So let's say even right now, if you're looking for lab access, you can let your account manager know about your requirement and they will do the needful. But still, I will pass the suggestion to the team and definitely they will help you.
Is it possible? Hello. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, Saurabh.
it is
Hello.
possible. It is
Sorry. Actually, yeah, I'm sitting actually in that area where network is fluctuating. So
okay.
I'm sorry for that. And yes, is it possible to
Yeah,
take
it is
lab?
possible. You can reach out to your account manager, okay? Or you can raise a
Okay, fine.
support ticket and you will get the lab access. Why we keep it? Because during the training, when you are using lab, there is a 3-4 months of time frame, okay? Because SD-WAN is a high compute technology, so we would also share the lab access with other participants as well from the other batches, okay? 3-4 months, we provide unlimited online lab access. But even beyond that, if you need some lab access, you can let us know. You can let your account manager know,
Oh,
and they will do the needful.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Actually, I never had such kind of queries from you. So, not to you. So that was my mistake. I thought whenever we were taking classes, so lab is over. We cannot enroll again for these labs. So
No,
that's
you
why I
you
never
can
tried.
you can you can take additional lab access as well. You just have to inform your
Okay.
account
Thank you so much.
managers, and they will
Thank you.
uh, provide you all the necessary support.
Yes. Thank you so much, Saurabh. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amit. Thank you for your valuable time. We wish you all the very best, and we look forward to
Thank
see
you.
you in our upcoming trainings as well.
Sure, Saurabh. Sure. Sure. Thank you. Bye
Thank.
bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye.